Hi there, it's Carol here bringing you a video today. Today is a card and I'm using the Memories and More Santa's Workshop pack. I love this pack. It's absolutely jam-packed, even though I've taken some out. Can't get them out. Oh, there you go. It's got stickers and glitter and it's just so special. Look, there's some stickers here. I might actually use those. Yeah, they're stickers. I might use those. Look at that. Oh, they're just so special. I've used some in cards before. I've used these little ones as shaker cards to put in my planner. So I've been really busy with this because I absolutely love it. So I'm going to make a little card. Now I'm using real red and that's going to be 4.5 inches by 4.5, and then I chose this card to go as the topper. Okay, and then I'm going to work round it. Now I was going to stamp using the beautiful baubles. I was going to use that Merry Christmas, but I'm not now. Let's get rid of it. Put it back on there. We don't need it. We're going to use the Happy Christmas from here. We're going to use the beer red. Ooh. What are we going to do? I think we'll use the red punch. Where's it gone? I had it. Can't find it. Hang on. Got different layers of things now that are everywhere. I had it 1 minute ago. So where is it? Oh dear me. Did I put it? I put it back. I can't find it. I've got my whole load. There it is. Put it back in the wrong place. Huh. Pretty label punch goes with that look. So if I do that one in red, will that work? If I take that one and put it on. No, hang on. Oh, that was lucky. Right. Is that gonna work? There. Okay, now I need some contrasting. I was going to use red ribbon. I haven't used this yet, I don't think, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I can't use that because you can't see it. Let's use this white with the silver. Yeah, that's much better. Look, then you can put that on it, put that in the bin. So there's quite a few of these pretty stickers. What I wanted to do was also use this candy cane season and use this ho ho ho. So on the red, I'll show you. Because that's what Santa does, isn't it? He says ho ho ho. So I'm bringing in a messy piece of grid paper. I've got the stamp ready. I've got some black ink. Just go. Yeah. So if I do that, hang on, don't know. Oh, I don't know where it's going to start. Not sure if this is lining up, but that'll be fine. You're not going to see some of it, so I just thought that added a little bit extra. Let's get the ribbon. I'm going to do my normal knot tie. I like tying knots in ribbon. Don't ask me why, I just do. Okay. Now some of this. This fast fuse is on clearance at the moment if you still want it. If you go to my Stampin' Up page, my website, hang on, let's put that there. Let's, is that going to work? I don't know. Will that work with that on there? And then, yes, of course it will. Perfect. Right, let's get, my husband has just messaged me to say he'll be finished at the gym soon and to meet him at the shop. Going to do a food shop. Sometimes we do them online, sometimes we do them, we have to go to the shop. There you go. Okay. Let's put that. And then this one we'll put on dimensionals. Where are they? See that my little cut? Look, I took the mickey out my husband this morning because he got a cardboard cut. And I said, how can you get a cardboard cut? And then I just got a cardboard cut. I was moving some boxes. He decided to show me how I could get a cardboard cut. I was not impressed because it hurts. Now what I want, I need another dimensional. Take off the back. It's not sticking. There you go. What do you think? Is that not just cute? That is such a lovely little kiddie card to send somebody. You could put a pocket in there and put some money in it. I love it. So that's using Memories and More. We're using Candy Cane Season. And we're using Memories and More, and that's really a bit of card and a bit of ribbon, and that's it. That's all you need. Okay, take care. I hope you enjoyed my card. See ya. Bye.